Why does your scanner show the P0213 engine code? What does it mean? P0213 is a diagnostic trouble code for Cold Start Injector 1, Malfunction. The P0213 engine code indicate the engine control module, ECM, detects an issue with the fuel injector responsible for spraying an extra burst of fuel during cold engine starts. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed cold start injector, damaged wiring harness, poor electrical connection, faulty coolant temperature sensor, defective ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, BMW, Nissan, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.